Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple but really helpful trick how to add bullet points in Smartsheet. If you've ever wanted to organize your lists or make your rows and notes more visually clear, bullet points are the way to go. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add those clean, professional-looking bullets to your Smartsheet text, whether you're using Windows or Mac. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open up Smartsheet on your browser and pull up the sheet where you want to add those bullet points. You can do this for any cell with text, whether you're managing a project list, jotting down meeting notes, or keeping track of tasks. Start by clicking into the cell or section of text that you want to organize with bullets. If you already have text there, just select the part that you want to turn into a bulleted list, or simply click so your cursor is exactly where you want that bullet to appear. This step is important because Smartsheet doesn't have a built-in bullets button like some word processors, so you'll need to manually add them right where you want. Now here, where things depend a little on whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac. Let's start with Windows users. You're going to use a special keyboard shortcut to insert a bullet point right into your text. Make sure your cursor is in the spot you want the bullet, then on your keyboard hold down the Alt key. While holding Alt, type 149 on your number pad. As soon as you release Alt, you'll see that perfect little bullet, just like you'd see in any Word doc or PowerPoint. Don't worry if it doesn't work right away. Double-check that you're using the number pad, not the numbers along the top row of your keyboard, because the shortcut only works with the number pad. If you have a laptop without a dedicated number pad, you might need to use the virtual number pad or copy and paste a bullet from elsewhere. Alright, for Mac users, it's even simpler. All you need to do is hit the Option key and the number 8 at the same time. So place your cursor where you want the bullet, hold down Option, and then press 8. Instantly, you'll see that neat little bullet appear in your Smartsheet text. It's quick, and it works anywhere you can type in Smartsheet. If you ever forget the shortcut, just remember Option +8 for Mac. Now, after inserting your bullet, you can keep typing your text, press Enter to go to the next line and add another bullet, or just repeat the shortcut wherever you want another one. If you're adding multiple bullets in the same cell, it can help to press Alt+Enter on Windows or Option+Return on Mac to add line breaks within the same cell. That way your bullets stay neatly organized in one place, making your notes or lists look really professional and easy to scan. And that's really all there is to it. Once you get the hang of these shortcuts, adding bullets in Smartsheet is fast and smooth, and can genuinely transform long walls of text into something much more readable and impactful. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, maybe about organizing text or using Smartsheet more efficiently, go ahead and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips like this to help you master all your favorite productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.